Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable first startup or first boot in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you need to do is move your mouse pointer to the search box and then type in control panel. The best match should come up as control panel. Click on it. Now from here make sure that category view is selected. After that click on hardware and sound. Now from here under the power options, click on change what the power buttons do. Now as you can see here, the first startup option is enabled. Now to disable it, click on this option here, change settings that are currently unavailable, and that will allow you to disable these settings. Now click on this box here to disable the first startup, and after that you can just click on save changes, and that will disable the first startup or first boot in your Windows 10 computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.